He wants to catch it in the act. In the air.
A performer.
He's training you how to throw it perfectly.
Yeah. A performer.
Reminds me of my dog. If you don't throw the ball just right, he won't go for it. One more time, bud. Good job. Good job. Good job. They're adorable. Beautiful babies. Oh, the other ones are all waiting. They all think it's going down, and it is a crack up. Oh. So the guy up here is 3 times bigger than the ones than below. He's a clever one.
Sometimes there's one up on top looking over.
Really? All the ones below are smaller and thinner. You think they would figure it out, that they get more food, they should come up here.
All straight.
Ah, good for you. Good for you. What is this? What's this white one called? What is it? You win the prize. You're the best.